say, be legally permissible for Berkshire to distribute at some time in the future any or some of the long-term equity investments, for example, Coca-Cola or American Express, to the shareholders in a tax-efficient way, as Yahoo is planning to do with the Alibaba stake, for example. The idea would be to return capital to shareholders using assets that Berkshire is not actively managing, that is, has not bought or sold for some time, and has very low incentive to sell because of income tax implications, while not taking away resources, cash, that could be reinvested by the Berkshire management better than by its shareholders.
Yeah, I don't think Yahoo solved it, actually. Charlie, you follow that too.
I don't think that we can do that with American Express and so forth. So it's a bad example. We've got no way of doing that.
No, there used to be a way to do that many years ago, and it was done. I don't mean by us, but I saw other examples of it. But under the code, there's no way to use appreciated securities to redeem your own shares. You can do it for something like acquiring, where you're exchanging it for like asset type thing on the Duracell arrangement. But there's no way to distribute it to shareholders without paying the full capital gains tax. And
you can have spin-offs of whole businesses to shareholders if you've held them a long time. But that's about the only thing you can do.
Yeah, but even there, I mean, what Yahoo has done is not got rid of the tax.
I don't know anything about Yahoo.
Yeah, no, they you know, that or what they're planning to do. It may give them some other option if Alibaba wants to eventually redeem it themselves. I mean, there could be something they can work out a deal with Alibaba. I do not see how that they have gotten rid of the tax unless they do a subsequent transaction of some sort with Alibaba. But maybe they have different tax advice than I've seen. But I know all kinds of cases where people or where corporations have large unrealized gains in marketable securities, and I have not seen in recent years, I did see it early in my career when the law was different, but I've not seen in recent years any way that people have gotten that money into the hands of the shareholders without paying a tax at the corporate level. Charlie,
No, that's what we say.
Yeah.